Welcome to Aaron and Mel's crafts.
Woo! What you will need: scissors, white tissue paper, icy lids,
Flashlights,
tape, hot glue gun, more tape, a friend,
Positive attitude.
a crafty spirit. Okay, we're at Holiday right now. Okay, that's a gas station that we have here, and right now we're going in to get the lids from an icy. That's the first thing that you will need. Okay, these. Look at it. It's perfect. Okay. Focus. 2. That's 3, 4. 5, 6. Are these all the same size?
Yeah.
Okay. Good. We got the lids. We bought some sunflower seeds covered in chocolate because we felt bad that we weren't getting anything except just taking these lids. So
Now we're here at Walgreens. We're finding a flashlight now and deodorant because I need deodorant.
that said light bulbs, and we found the flashlights right here. Those look
Excellent.
perfect. If you want something a little bigger, you could do like that or like those. Those are huge.
This one's environmentally friendly too.
Yeah.
Solar powered.
Solar.
Also, if your flashlights do not come with batteries, you must get batteries for it to work. That sound. Okay, so when you make these, you have to make sure that you can unscrew this part so you can replace your batteries if you need to. Because if it runs out and you get to actually go to a concert, then you need to, be able to take this with you. Next, we're gonna be wrapping the flashlights in black tape just because that's our preference. Of the official Army bombs are black, like they have the black
Yeah, we're not messing around here. We're going for the legit.
We're
look.
legit and
Yes.
cheap and efficient and
Yes.
yeah, do it yourself.
If you don't have black tape though, you can take regular masking tape and put black paint on it.
Yeah.
But we're not gonna do that.
No, we have actual black tape, so we're gonna just tape it.
Do it like this. Where you take the tape and you go around.
Yes, it takes a while, but
You gotta make sure there's no bubbles. Kind of. Yeah.
we're doing good.
We have successfully wrapped our army bombs. Make sure you do not wrap that part. Now they are black, so they are more accurate to the actual army bomb, okay? Bam.
Now we're gonna set our flashlights aside for a second and we're gonna focus on the globe part of the Army bomb now. So this is when you will need these.
Little pro tip: make sure you pick up some extra lids,
Just
in
in
case you
case.
mess up.
Yes. Pro tip. This is the standard icy cover size. Will work best for this crafting project. You take 1/2 of your globe and we're going to cut this edge part off because then it'll be smoother.
Like so.
So we're gonna be cutting along there.
Yes.
I'm gonna.
So there's hardly any ridge. Yeah, it's kind of difficult. So take your time. Just be careful. Also, ask your parents for permission to use scissors because they're really sharp and dangerous. And also, this plastic is dangerous too once you cut into it because it can be kind of sharp. Pro tip. Okay. So once you've completed wrapping your light stick and you have 1/2 of your globe done and cut, you want to set it around flashlight, and then get your hot glue gun and glue around there. You want to Erin is going to glue hers on the inside of her globe. Instead of gluing or taping this white tissue paper into here, we're gonna use Mod Podge. So you dip a little bit onto your brush like so, and then what?
Then you spread it in there a little bit, and then you rip off a piece of tissue paper, and you're gonna layer in there. It'll be a little bumpy and everything, but that's okay. It's beautiful still.
Yes.
And then you want to go over the top of it with a bit more to seal down the edges.
Okay.
And then you just go all the way around like that.
Your other half of your globe, you will notice that there's also another hole there. So you can either do what Erin's doing.
Gonna take a piece of tissue paper and put it over there, and then Mod Podge it down.
Around it.
Yes.
Or I just practiced on one of our extras. I put a piece of tape over the hole, and I might just put tissue paper there and like Mod Podge over that. As you can see, it's kind of rough. I tried cutting it and it's just kind of sketchy, so just do whatever floats your boat. Okay, so to connect them,
what do you
you can put glue around it and then do that. Or I use tape in different individual things, and then bam, there you go. Yes! Yes! Find a lid this size from a water bottle, and now we will be painting them black. Acquire 2 beads like such, so that you can attach them to the top of your painted lids. Change of location. So once you have painted your cap, we're gonna hot glue it onto the bomb. But before we do that, we're going to we're gonna glue the red bead onto the black part and let it dry. Oh my. Okay, there we. What did you do?
We're half disaster. I glued my fingernail to it. Okay.
Okay. Bam.
Make sure you get all those. Take like 4.
Take a little bit of glue and then place it directly on the center of the black cap. Then remove excess glue strings. Oh.
Everything is fine.
Pro tip. Make sure you listen to K-pop while you craft. Now is the time. I'm going to be placing it directly on the top because then it doesn't look like as much like there's a hole on the top of the army bomb. See? Okay, so you just place some glue. Go fairly quickly, but with precision. Bam! Wait a minute.
Here we go.
Okay.
I touched the glue with my hand in it. Did not feel good. Great.
Pro
Okay.
tip, don't touch the hot glue, it'll burn you.
Pro tip.
Optional, but if you want to, you can add little gems onto your army bomb anywhere you want, just to like, give it a little personalization. He's gonna put some hot glue on there. Whoa,
Again, pro
that
tip,
is a lot.
don't touch the glue.
Pro tip, don't squeeze really hard because too much glue will come out.
I made mine purple by ripping the top off and then putting a little bit of tissue paper in there.
Yeah,
It looks cool.
like this tissue paper.
This is so extra. I hate myself.